So I want to go through some important terms here. And these terms are from ISO 14644, the 2015 version. A clean room, by definition, is a room within which the number concentration of airborne particles is controlled and classified, and which is designed, constructed, and operated in a manner to control the introduction, generation, and retention of particles inside the room. A clean room, by ISO's terminology, is the class of airborne particle concentration is specified. Levels of other cleanliness attributes, such as chemical, viable, or nanoscale concentrations in the air, and also surface cleanliness in terms of particle, nanoscale, chemical, and viable concentrations, may also be specified and controlled. Other relevant physical parameters might also be controlled as required, such as temperature, humidity, pressure, vibration, and electrostatic levels. But in ISO terminology, the only thing we have to control to call something a clean room, purely in ISO, is the particle level. Now, obviously, there's going to be other parameters that we have to control to be able to control the particles. But all we have to do is to call something a clean room is that we have tested it and we have specified its particle concentration levels. Now, obviously, other industries were going to have different concerns. For example, the FDA is going to require a whole bunch of things that you must do if you're going to be making medical products. But if you're making widgets and you decide, look, in order to make the widgets, we need them clean, you can set your own levels because you're in control of that. But if you're in a regulated industry, you have to be able to respond to regulators. Now, the difference, we have a clean room and a clean zone. And a clean zone is different from a room because it's a designated space that would be in a room. And we control particles, it's controlled and classified. We've specified what those levels should be. A clean zone can be a defined space within a clean room, or might be achieved by a separate devices. Such a device can be located inside or outside of a clean room. It could be a glove box, it could be a flow bench, it may be in a clean room, it may be outside of the clean room. And again, whatever we consider the other relevant physical parameters might also be controlled, such as temperature, humidity, or pressure. But the difference between a clean room and a clean zone is a space within a room. And often we have clean rooms that have multiple clean zones. An example of this would be an aseptic filling line in pharmaceutical manufacturing. We may have an ISO class 7 clean room that has an ISO class 5 work zone, or a flow bench or a filling machine. And if we extend that to GMP, international GMP, we would have a grade B filling room with a grade A filling line or filling piece of equipment used for filling.